20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, it's your family. Welcome to All Trending Zanti. But see, when one gives birth to a child, more especially a daughter, they feel that they're gonna have their own best friend in them, whom they're gonna play along with and bond with. Haike sana. When it comes to Ugokos Koteni, also known as Utumi, that was definitely not part of her prayers. Or perhaps she prayed for something, but Aibandla Uliana, whom is her first child and a daughter, Aibandla, she is definitely giving her a headache. We normally see videos of her mocking her mother and having conversations with her mother non-stop. But the recent one, but Aibandla, it hits deep. Oh, baby girl was definitely body shaming her mother, stating that Aibandla, when a mama, you have a wobble body. Look here, it is wobbling. But of course, see. So what is more shocking is Oliana at her age. How does she know the difference between a wobbling body and a body that is not wobbling? I sham kids of this generation, they will definitely shock you. Please watch the following video.
Do I have mkhaba mina? Yeah? Nginomkhaba liyami. So that one you're not sorry for?
Because
So you are body shaming me?
look, this is wobbly and wobbly. This is wobbly and wobbly. Look, shake it. You see?
Hama Liana.
You see? It's shaking. Now cry.
Angeke siphinde sizwane mfethu. Asivali yekela. Futhi angasifuna la kuphuma ekamereni lami. Go to your room. Yini wabeli shake emntwini omdala. Izinto zozisho ukhuluma kulabo mama baphekayo bama society. I'm like this because I gave birth when
Stop it. Stop. It's asking me that. Stop asking me that.
Liana. So when you can differentiate between umntwana engalo enkulu nomntwana engalo encane.
Don't ask me that word. I'm your children here at this house. Because you're a loser. You're a bad guy. You always lie to me. Look, Mama.
Ngihlazo nje.
You see it's wobbly.
No.
Don't ask me that. See.
What is
Don't
wobbly?
ask me that.
Lokho uyaphinde ngiyakutshela ukuthi ngelife uyangihlaza. Sabani like manje ngikwatile serasa ngisadlali. Hayi wena udlala kabi. Wena udlala ngezinto ezipersonal and mina ngibi personal ku. I'm serious.
I'm not your daughter.
Akunandaba Liana mana I'm serious. Angidlali, ngibody shame hayi. Hawu manje si personal. Take your
Bandla Uliana Uzengenye. I mean, who does that? Uliana is definitely giving her mother daily headaches every day. I bandla kamphumulisi akamhemisi. You can tell that they definitely love each other and they're having the best mother and daughter relationship that Dumi could have asked for. And this is indeed cute and nice to see. Please do leave your comments down below, but don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.